Hi guys, in this video we gonna talk about what is base and quote currency. Let's start. As you know, Forex transactions always take place between two currencies, and every currency pair in the world is formed by involvement of any two currencies. For example, in Euro-USD, currency to stand at first place, or numerator, is called base currency in a currency pair. And currency to stand at second place, or denominator, is called quote currency in a currency pair. Let's have some more examples, like USD JPY, GBP New Zealand dollar, and Euro Canadian dollar. In these pairs, USD, GBP, and Euro are base currencies, while JPY, New Zealand dollar, and Canadian dollar are quote currencies. While trading Forex, all the actions, either buying of base currency, or selling of base currency, in both cases, quote currency plays as money part. This means, if exchange rate of Euro-USD is 1.1513, that means, 1 euro is equals to 1.1513 USD. So when any transaction take place with this pair, we will say, we buy euro, or, we sell euro at price of USD. That's why, we say, quote currency plays a money part, and buying or selling happened with base currency. Thanks for watching the video. See description to contact us, reliable brokers, our social media, and many more. Stay tuned for our next video, how to close half position.